He said that I've done kufr. He said that I've done kufr. That's how thick this guy is. Over there, he doesn't know grammar. I quoted Imam al-Dhahabi. He said that Imam al-Dhahabi's statement is out of context. What does Imam al-Dhahabi say about Abu Yazid al-Bistami saying that statement? He said over here, أنها قالها في حال الدهشة والسكر والغيبة والمحو فيطوى ولا يحتج بها إذ ظاهرها الحال. We agree that the statement on its zahir is kufr. And over here I quoted Imam al-Dhahabi up to here. Then he said إذ ظاهرها الحال. That despite the statement on its apparent being kufr, the hukum of kufr doesn't apply. And is over here, because of his ignorance in grammar, he doesn't understand that is over here comes for ta'aleem, for cause of the previous point.
There's no distinction between what Imam Dhahabi says and Fariduddin Attar says, and what the young man did. You're doing what you told me not to do. What the young man did is he gave a citation from Fariduddin Attar and a citation from Imam al-Dhahabi, which there's nothing wrong with. No one defends the kufr. And on that note,
you can't leave without apologizing.
You have to apologize to him. You have to apologize to him. You have to apologize.